In today's video, I'm going to show you how to use ChatGPT to create Notion templates step by step, even if you've never built a template before. This is a super useful workflow because ChatGPT can help you plan the structure, organize your sections, and give you a clean layout that you can quickly rebuild inside Notion. So if you want to save time, stay organized, and create better Notion pages faster, this method is going to help a lot. And before we get into it, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more easy software tutorials just like this. Let's jump right in. First, open ChatGPT. The very first thing you want to do is ask for the template structure. The key here is to give ChatGPT a clear prompt so it understands exactly what you need. For example, you could type something like, "Create a Notion template for daily task management with sections and tables." The more specific you are, the better the result will be. You can mention whether you want it for school, work, content planning, personal finance, habit tracking, or project management. ChatGPT can then generate a simple framework that gives you a strong starting point instead of making you figure everything out manually. Once you send the prompt, ChatGPT will usually give you a ready-made layout. This might include sections like to-do, completed, and notes. It may also give you table columns, such as task, date, and status. Sometimes it will even suggest extra categories that make the template more useful, like priority, due date, progress, or reminders. At this stage, your goal is to copy the structure and use it as a blueprint. You do not need to build everything exactly the way ChatGPT shows it, but it gives you a very solid foundation. Now that you have the layout, the next step is to open Notion and start building the template. Create a new page, give it a title, and then begin adding the sections that ChatGPT suggested. If your template includes tables, create those first. If it includes headings, add them in the right order. If it includes checklists, callouts, databases, or toggle blocks, you can add those too. The idea is to recreate the structure inside Notion so you have a clean, organized workspace that matches the system ChatGPT created for you. After that, you can customize the template to fit your own style and needs. This is where Notion becomes really powerful. You can add colors, icons, covers, and different views, like calendar, board, or list view, depending on how you want to use the template. For example, if you are making a daily task manager, a board view may help you track progress more visually. If you are building a content calendar, a calendar view may be the best option. You can also rename sections, remove anything unnecessary, and add extra details that fit your workflow better. The goal is to take ChatGPT's structure and turn it into a template that feels custom-made for you. Another great tip is to ask ChatGPT for multiple versions. You could ask for a simple version, a professional version, or a more detailed version, then choose the one that works best. This is especially helpful if you are creating templates for clients, team projects, or digital products. You can even ask ChatGPT to suggest automation ideas, database properties, or better labels to make your Notion setup more efficient. So the full process is simple. Ask ChatGPT for the structure, copy the ready-made layout, build it in Notion, and then customize it to your liking. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more step-by-step guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.